In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Firefox download speed. First, we need to open Firefox. Look for the Firefox icon on your desktop or in your Applications menu. Click on it to launch the browser. As Firefox opens, you will see your home page or the last page visited. It is essential to ensure that you are using the latest version of Firefox for the best performance. Keeping your browser up to date can greatly improve speed and security. Once Firefox is up and running, we can move on to the next step. Next, we will access the configuration settings by typing in About Config in the address bar. This is a special page that allows you to tweak various settings that are not visible in the standard options menu. After typing About Config, press the Enter key. You may see a warning message about the risks of changing advanced settings. This is normal. Just click on the button that says Accept the risk and continue. This step is crucial because it gives you access to powerful settings that can significantly impact your download speeds. Now that you are on the About Config page, you will notice a search bar at the top. Click on that search bar and type in network.ettpe HTTP3 enabled. This is the specific setting we want to adjust. The search results will filter to show this setting. It is important to find the exact setting because modifying the wrong one could lead to unintended consequences. Once you see network.attpa HTTP3 enabled, you are ready to proceed. After you locate the setting, you will see its current value displayed next to it. Typically, it will say true. To change this value, double-click on it. This action will toggle the setting from true to false. Setting it to false disables HTTP3, which can sometimes cause slow download speeds in Firefox. This adjustment is essential because it allows your browser to revert to a more stable connection method, potentially speeding up your downloads. With the HTTP3 setting now set to false, it is time to restart Firefox. This action is necessary to ensure that the changes you made take effect. To restart, you can simply close the browser window and then reopen it, or you can use the menu to select the Quit option. When Firefox restarts, you will notice that it will load your previous tabs if you have that option enabled. This helps maintain your workflow without losing any important pages you were working on. Now that Firefox is restarted, it's time to test your download speed. You can do this by downloading a file from a reliable source. Choose a file that you know has a consistent download speed. As the file downloads, monitor the speed closely. This step is crucial because it gives you a clear indication of whether the changes have improved your download performance. If you notice a significant increase in speed, you have successfully optimized your download settings. If you still experience slow download speeds after making these changes, consider checking your internet connection or any other applications that may be using bandwidths. Sometimes, slow downloads can be influenced by external factors beyond the browser. However, the adjustments you made will often lead to noticeable improvements. In conclusion, you have now learned how to fix Firefox download speed by disabling download limits through the About Config settings. Remember that these tweaks can lead to a smoother and faster browsing experience. Thank you for following along, and happy downloading!